No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're at the Moonbeam car wash in Langley Mill, which is on the Nottinghamshire Derbyshire border. We're gonna clean the daily driver today, guys. So hopefully, I mean, it is very icy on the floor, but yeah, point of view hand car wash, guys. Well then guys, as you can see, it is in KFC car park. And yeah, this is the Moonbeam hand car wash. It's got ceramic HD waxes and snow foams, as you can see. There's loads of snow on the floor as well as snow foam. It is very slippy. I don't know how this is going to go. But yeah, we're in the daily driver and we want to give it a bit of a clean. Get some of the salt off it. So we'll see how this goes. Right, so there's all your options. You've got bleeding wheel cleaner, hot front bug preparation, hot active snow foam. Well, that might melt some of the ice. Traffic film remover, hot wash, hot Arctic out foam brush, cold high print standard rinse, ceramic HD wax coating, and reverse osmos spot free streak free final rinse. So it is £1 a minute. Minimum vend is £2, and we've got frost warning slippery, look. Right then guys, so you select your time on here and then just tap your card on. So because it's going to take us a little bit longer, we're going to go for 8 minutes. Present your card. And we're ready to go, guys. Thank you, amount charged £8. So we're going to start off with the wheel cleaner. Now you can't select it, so I'm guessing it just goes through the motions. Oh no, if you come on here, look, wheel cleaner, you select it on the screen, and now the time's counting down. Try not to slip over. Right, let's try this wheel cleaner. Wheel clean. So it don't come out very fast, but it is doing something. So we'll do the wheels. Probably didn't wear the right footwear for today. I'm slipping all over the place. Get around the other side of the car now. Whee! Slip and slide. Should be called slip and slide car wash. But it is January. This wheel's quite dirty, look. We'll see how that comes up. Right, so that'll do. We'll get the hot snow foam now. I did forget to mention that they are all colour coded, look. So like your yellows over there. So we're going to go for foam trigger number 3, hot active snow foam. I'll get the wheel cleaner back in its holster. Snow foam's over there. Notice they're all quite stubby lancers. So it's not coming out very thick at the minute. We'll just give it a chance to, yeah, it's foaming now. Oh, it's a bit runny. Right, it's thickening up. Let's get plenty on there. So if you're a bit of a car buff and you didn't want to use the brush, you could just come and snow foam and blow the snow foam off just to get the majority of the salt off the car. I'm trying my best given the conditions. I think anybody else would have just left it, but we've come to get a video today, guys. I think if I wanted to comment on the snow foam, it could do with being a little bit thicker, but it is what it is. I think a 6-minute wash normally would be sufficient if you wanted to do the full wash. Right, let's get back over there now. It's a straw because of the ice. So we're gonna go cold high pressure rinse number 6, and that is the Blue Lance, which is here. Well, that is very powerful. So we're getting rid of all the salt, and because this is a daily driver, we're going to use the brush. For those that don't like the brushes, you'll have to skip that part of the video. It's not the best of jobs, but what we're going to do now is get the hot foam brush number 5. I'm sure that said we only had 2 minutes left, so we might have to put more money in. But yeah, this is probably mainly because we're slipping and sliding all over the place. And obviously when you are using these, try not to hit the car with the Pipeworks hoses like I'm doing, but it is only a daily. There's plenty of marks on this car. Don't forget the roof. I'm holding on for dear life. I can see a bit of steam coming off the hot water. I think what took most of the time was that was a snow foam. This is a downward slope, so I'm trying not to slip under the car. So I don't think it's going to be the best job. I can hear a beeping, so I think we're gonna have to put some more money in, I think. Whoa, I'm slipping into the car. We'll have to come back when it's not all frozen. I think it's gone off. There it has. So that's the 8 minutes gone already, guys. What we're gonna have to do, guys, is we're gonna have to get another 4 minutes just so we can rinse that off. So we're gonna go for number 6. We've got to get back here for the rinse. Just wait for that to clear. Hopefully we've got enough time to get some wax on it to protect it from all that salt. Right, let's try and get some wax. Half the time's gone already. I don't think I'm going to bother with the streak free. And get around a bit quicker. Right, we'll go for the streak free now. 1 minute 33 left. And that's it, 28 seconds left. As you can probably see, I'm holding on to the hose to stop myself falling down. Get that back in there. Right then guys, as you can see, it's not actually looking too bad. I think what we're going to do is we'll get the car off the bay and we will have a little look around the car in the car park. Somebody else has turned up now, look. Right, so we're going to start up and we're going to head round to the back a little and we'll have a look at what it's come up like. That's if we're not stuck in all the ice. Trying to get off the bay. Right, let's go. Right then guys, as you can see, it's come up all right. May have missed a few places, but I wanted to try the new car wash out. Despite the ice, it didn't put us off. It looks a lot better than it did with all the road salt on it. Right then guys, I reckon that's probably about an 8 out of 10, probably 5 out of 10 with the ice experience, but I did really enjoy it and I can't wait for, I'd say, the sun to come out, but the sun's already out. But yeah, when it's a nice summer's day, it'd be nice to go there and just give the car a blast off, get the dust off, because as we know, the cars last a lot longer in the summer when the roads are nicer. But yeah, for now, for the daily driver, it was an alright wash. The only thing I didn't like was the £12 it cost me, but saying that, it did take me a lot longer because of all the ice on the floor. It was the first time I've used it, and it was also the first time using my new camera. So that was a point of view using the 360 Insta Go 3S. So loads more content coming soon guys. As always, smash the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel. Loads of Ford content coming soon, car meets, car shows. See you there guys.